Hi everyone, my name is Davey, and it's happy here to talk to you. And today we're going to talk about a hands-on guide to Moldex3D iSLM. So here's today's outline. First is better manage mode flow analysis data with less effort, intelligent management of on-site mode tryout. So let's have a quick brief of the situation of injection molding data management. As you may know, during the life cycle of plastic injection molding, conducting mold flow analysis and on-site mold trial is an indispensable procedure. But it often brings about unneeded time and labor consumption when coworkers exchange information between them. So we noticed that there is no specific system to help people document the design knowledge iteration process, including DFM, simulation optimization, and no good solution for collaboration development. When it comes to on-site procedures, there is no system on the market that can help customers with mold trial management. There are two main situations: unstandardized mold designs or molding conditions. Usually, mold trial tests rely on personnel experience, but often processed without systematically, it will cause problems like get size and process conditions have a variety of results, so the product quality will be spotty. The second one is employees less sharing knowledge with each other. It will increase the manufacturing cost in repeated mold repair and mold tryout, because people don't record the problem that occurred in mold development or accumulate the improvement experience. So what can iSLM do? To solve these problems, we create Moldex3D iSLM. It is a web-based platform which has an efficient way to transfer data and offers specialized functions to upload mold flow analysis files. It is an intelligent and interactive platform designed for plastic engineering companies. The data management includes lots of items such as mold flow, model feature size, get type, mold tryout parameters, CA result, etc. Users can simply centralize the important and valuable data in the platform throughout the entire development lifecycle. iSLM is also a database that contains all the design and production information to help set product development parameters.